In the whispering breeze, where dreams unfold, I found your love, more precious than gold. Your laughter a melody, dancing in the air, a symphony of love, beyond compare. With hearts entwined, we soar high in the azure sky, where love never dies. Echoes of our hearts singing in flight, guided by love's eternal light. In the moonlit night, where stars ignite, I hold you close, our souls unite. Your eyes like stars sparkling bright, illuminate the path through the darkest night. With hearts entwined, we soar high in the azure sky, where love never dies. Echoes of our hearts singing in flight, guided by love's eternal light. In every whispered word, in every tender touch, our love's embrace, oh, it means so much. Through every storm, through every tide, forever together side by side. With hearts entwined, we soar high in the azure sky, where love never dies. Echoes of our hearts singing in flight, guided by love's eternal light. So let our love shine like stars above, in a symphony of passion, in purest love. Forevermore, our souls ignite, in echoes of our hearts shining bright. With hearts entwined, we soar high in the azure sky, where love never dies. Purest love, echoes of our hearts singing in flight, guided by love, eternal light. In every whispered word, in every tender touch, our love's embrace, oh, it means so much. Forevermore, our souls ignite, in echoes of our hearts shining bright.